Hi, my name's Paul Weimer. This is my 2014 CanAm Spyder RT Limited I bought new back in 2014. It has 107,000 miles on it now. And I just recently purchased the Elka Suspension Stage 2 shocks for it, front and rear. I installed the fronts yesterday with the assistance of the information provided on Elka's site. Their install shows an F3 of 2015 F3, so the similarities between the front shock assembly and the whole construction and this 2014 is very, very similar. But there's no video, there's no specific installation assistance offered by Elka regarding the rear shock. So I'm going to try to record and show my experience of disassembling and installing a rear shock on this 2014. The approach I'm going to take initially is to remove the right side panels from the mirrors and all this to get that right side panel off, and so I have a lateral view of the mounting area. My Spyder is sitting on a 4-post lift here in my pole barn garage, and so that gives me the ability to raise the bike and access at least the lower mounting bolt. Now, I'm not sure exactly how much access I'm going to have as far as the top bolt, and I'm hoping I do not have to resort to removing the rear tire to get the total access to that top bolt, but we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the panels, and we'll come pick this back up once we have that view to show.